Hey everybody, and welcome back to Zested Foods. My name is Christine, and whether you're eating the rice and beans diet, you're preparing for Cinco de Mayo, or you just love refried beans, I'm going to show you an easy and delicious recipe for refried beans using the Instant Pot. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is turn on your Instant Pot by hitting the saute button and make sure it says more so it gets nice and hot. Then you're going to remove your lid from your Instant Pot, let it turn on, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of lard. Lard is rendered down pig fat. If you don't have lard, you can use bacon grease, or you can just use canola or vegetable oil or olive oil as well. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of our lard to our Instant Pot. And then I have 1 diced onion that we're going to add. We're going to mix everything together and let this saute for about 5 minutes. Once our onions are nice and soft, we're going to add in 4 garlic cloves that I've just roughly chopped. We're going to put those in, stir it around for about 30 seconds. Then to our pot, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't like the spice, just don't put in the cayenne pepper. We'll give everything a good stir here. I have here 2 pounds of pinto beans. Pinto beans are traditionally used for refried beans, but if you don't have pinto beans, you can also use black beans. I have rinsed these off and let them drain, but they have not soaked. I've only taken them out of the package and rinsed them off, and we're gonna add them to our Instant Pot. And then to the beans, we're gonna add salt and half of a jalapeno. Once again, if you don't like spice, just don't add in the jalapeno. And then to that, we are gonna add 3 cups of chicken broth. You can also use just water if you want, but I prefer to use the chicken broth to add more flavor. Then we're gonna stir everything together, and then we're gonna put the lid back on to our Instant Pot. You wanna make sure it's in sealing, not venting. And then you're gonna turn on your Instant Pot for 45 minutes and let it cook. When the timer goes off, do not touch your Instant Pot. We're gonna leave it just as it is until this valve goes down all by itself without releasing any of the pressure. Our pressure valve has gone down, so that means we can remove our lid. Ooh, these beans smell amazing. I wish you could smell them. Now at this point, what you can do is you can use a potato masher to mash up your beans. You can use a food processor, or if you have a handheld blender like this, you can use that, and that's what we're gonna use today. Once your beans are nice and smooth, taste them and adjust the seasoning if needed. Otherwise, you can dish them up and eat them right out of the pot. You can serve these with burritos, tacos, nachos, tostadas, bean dips, however you like to eat your refried beans, dish them up and enjoy them. Make sure you check out this video right over here, and we will see you guys in the next video. My white paper just fell down. I ran down the stairs. 3rd time's a charm. Once your beans are nice and so hot, but so delicious.